So we've got 2025 Mercedes GLE53, which is the AMG line. So in terms of this vehicle, obviously customer already has a ghost wheel mobilizer on there. But he's opted in to have a Meta S5 Deadlock available. So obviously this is the tag here. So obviously with these tags, if I get in the vehicle, obviously once I have the tag present, I will be able to start the vehicle as normal and the system will come on. But obviously I haven't pressed the button on this tag yet. Obviously if I press the button on the tag, pressing the button now on the tags, we can now start the vehicle as normal. System comes on, ready to drive.